Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome you all for this end-to-end session on AML. So it's gonna be a year-long session where we're gonna learn all the nuances to become a successful data scientist. Okay. So hope you guys have enjoyed all our videos, and if you guys have any doubt, just post in the comment. So comment section, and we are here to help you. So hope you guys are watching all our previous videos. Okay. So it is a major things to get what we are teaching now. Okay. So that's a thing, guys. So let us know if you guys have any doubts. So welcome guys again. So today we're gonna see something special. Okay, I think for the last four sessions we are seeing something special because we are diving deep into the coding part, right? So coding part is something special for me when compared to the normal PPT and just explaining things. The coding part is very interesting for me also. So hope that is same for you guys. Okay. Yeah, so in the previous session we have introduced you like R. So how to do the things using R. So how to print the things, how to use the operators, what is the data type, like those things we have seen. So today we're gonna continue that. Today is gonna be very simple session only. But hope you guys have watched the previous session video. So that is very important, guys. So you guys need to have a clear understanding of what we are teaching. If you have not watched the previous video, what happens means you guys doesn't have a like a consistency. Okay, you guys doesn't know what we are telling. So that's the thing, please watch previous session, not like a previous session, all the sessions please try to watch so that you can guys can have a better understanding of what we are telling. Okay. Yes sir, over to you.
Yeah, we are starting this again the session on R. So understand each element and watch the previous sessions and go into details what me and Raja is explaining you and go details, and also you will have assignment at the end of this once we finish this program. So you will have assignments, you have to do hands-on practice. So and digest it information first, absorb the information, then digest it, practice it, practice, and once you do it a lot of times, so it would be very easy for you to become a data scientist, because first is to understand concepts, then tools, and then making projects. So this is with simplicity, and we are teaching with pure simplicity and like to the point, no fluff, no hanky panky things. So just pure stuff, pure concepts, and you are also learning application. So keep learning and dive deep into R programming for data scientists and other, like it is very important tool. If you learn R properly and your concepts are clear, so you are a data scientist. So go deep into it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay. Yeah guys, so we can jump into the session. So today we're going to see basic functions in R. So first of all we are having length function. Okay, length function, what it will do means how much count of values we are having, length of vector. So one thing guys, here in R everything is considered as a vector. Okay, and like we will be having list in Python, right? What is a list, guys? Please mention in the comments what is a list. Okay, so before I'm telling answer, please mention in the comment what is a list. Okay. So lists are mutable, right? It will be declared in a square brackets and they are mutable and we can modify the things. Similarly, in Python, everything is considered, sorry, similarly in R, everything is considered as a vectors. Okay. We will be declaring something called as C. Within C, we will be having something called as a circle bracket, and we're gonna mention the data inside it. You guys see here, I'm mentioning 1, 2, 3, 4. So length is a function. Okay, it gonna have some set of code. Okay, guys, doesn't think like if you put length within that we are having a value and it will return the length of the vectors that we are having. So it is returning a length 4, right? It is not like that. The length has some kind of sequence of steps to perform so that we are it resulting in this result. Guys, I hope you guys are understand. Length is a key, it's a function name. It is already predefined in the library of R. So in that function there will be a set of lines which makes the length function to look or work as a length, because it is returning the length of this vector, right? It is coded in that way. We are just using the package. From a package we are using a function, that's it. Okay, I hope you guys have understand this statement. Okay, so then we are having sum function. Okay, it's gonna sum the things. 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, like it will be around 10. Okay, 10. Similarly, like mean is like we need to add everything and we need to divide by the total number of values. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, what it will be like, 10 divided by 4, it will be like nearly 2.5. Okay, then square root. SQRT is for square root. So what is the square root of 16? Is 4, right? Then abstract, it is used to perform some, it will not have any negative value. If a negative value is there, it will remove it. Okay, so we are having 10. So guys, this is how. So these are some inbuilt function which is present in the R. So guys, I'm again mentioning, it is not like ABS is only thing that it will not gonna remove the minus, not like that. You guys need to understand, this is the already existing function which has the set of lines which perform this thing. Whenever I'm just saying sqrt of some value, it is returning as the square root value. And in the backend, what happens means, there is a function, sqrt function in R, which is gonna do this thing for us. Like, it will take the input from the user, that is 16, and it gonna find the square root of it, and it will return the value. So that function is compressed and we are just getting the sqrt, just sqrt. So we are just able to retrieve, like return the value. Okay, so yeah guys, this is what about the basic functions we are having in R. Okay, so yeah guys, yeah sir, over to you.
Yeah, so basic function again, guys, you can see the common function. Here we are writing print length. Okay, length of this is a data structure, guys. So for C we are length we are writing 1 2 3 4, right? For sum we are writing 1 2 3 4 again, mean, square, then ABS. We are writing absolute value, square root, whatever. So we are doing arithmetical calculation for this data structure which is there, right? To calculate the array, what we call it array, but here we call it common functions. We calculate them and then we get result. Result is 4 when we see vector. So for list we call vector. So that's the only difference. Otherwise it is list, that data structure, right? So that's what you have to understand. Then for sum we get 10, we get 2.5 for mean. Mean is the central value, right? Then you have square root, you get 4, and then you get 10 absolute value. Okay, this is how the basic function works in R.
Yeah, that's the thing guys. Okay, moving on, we are having printing and comments. So actually this is what we have seen in the beginning, right? Print and comment we need to use. Okay, so guys, see here, I have just explained in a better manner. Okay, like somewhat more detail. Okay, guys, see here, these two are print statements. Print, this is a print statement. Guys, the first line, within the print we are having a string value. Okay, see here, we are having a string value, right? That's right. And in the next print statement, I'm just throwing the integer value and it is returning an integer value. So what I'm trying to convey means, the print function able to do both the things. Not both the things, it can print anything that it is inside the circle bracket. It can print the string value, it can print the numeric value, boolean, complex number, anything it can print. So that's the reason we are using print statement. Whenever you need to give the result to the user, you need to use the print statement. Okay, and commenting, because this is the same thing I have explained you guys in the previous session. Okay, now I have a content for it. Okay, commenting in or, this is a single line command. Whenever you have a asterisk in front of it, that is a single line command. So and you need to comment like this case. So I'm going to print a hello world. I'm commenting it like, below is the code to print hello world. Okay, so as I mentioned previously, you should write your code in a manner that it will be understandable by you in the future for you, and it should be understandable for a person who doesn't know anything about it. So you should write a code in this manner, guys. So because like, it is very important for us to think in a manner like this code should be reusable and it should be understandable by each and everyone. So that's a major concept that we are using commenting. Okay, so printing and commenting, so these are the two things that is all about this blocks. Yeah, yeah sir, over to you.
Yeah, so printing and commenting again, guys, this is very important. So when we go and print the statement in R, especially, so we just write print, and then we need to write this, print this. This is a print statement. So you need to write print 42, suppose. So commenting in R, so why you have to write comments? Because every time whenever you are doing especially in Python and R, so you have to use the hash function, because you have to define it, because your code is not defining everything. Your code is just certain functions, and not all people can understand what you have written, what is your logic. So you have to in detail, you have to write some description that into hash, so that will be helping other person to understand. And once you come back, you might forget something, so you will again come and see, so what kind of code you have written, what, so that you don't have to do repetition here. So it will help you to proceed. Okay, so it will save your time, and it will also help other person to understand what kind of code you have written. So then we are getting this is a print statement 42 hello world. So this is how the output will come in R, printing and commenting. Okay.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. So yeah, we will be having a live assignment next. So before that, let us just discuss what are the things that we have learned, like an entire introduction to R programming. So I'm gonna summarize the things, guys. Please make notes of it if possible. So first thing, guys. So in order to print anything in R, we are just using a print statement. Okay. Now also we have seen that. And in order to do a command, you need to use the asterisk symbol. Then we are having basic syntax for R, where we are having variables and data types. So guys, see here, it is somewhat different than other programming language. They are using, instead of equal to, they are using a back arrow. Okay, in order to assign some value to a variable. And you guys know this is a variable, like x is a variable and this phi is a value, and we are just assigning the value to the variable. So this is how you do that. And using print statement, I'm just printing it out. And we are having data types, right? In order to just mention or get the data type, we need to use a class function. Okay, it will declare what is the data type of the variable. And similar like in Python, or also not require explicitly say this is the data type that I'm going to use. Okay, as a result, it reduces time, it reduces like space, like those things. Okay, and operators in R, it's similar like what we have seen in Python. They're having a plus operator, minus operator, multiplication, division operator, explanation operator, and we are having model operator. So everything. So these are the operators we can do. And we are having one more thing. These are arithmetic operator, and we are having a relation operator, like relating to this, whether finding the condition, whether they are matching or greater than, less than, like those things we can do by using relation operators, not also one of the relation operator. And we are having logical operator, where we will be checking the condition, two different conditions, whether they are true or false. So based on and or and not gates. So yeah, these are the things that we have mentioned and we discussed for operators. And finally we have move on to the basic functions which are already present in R, like length, sum, mean, square root, absolute, like those things. And finally we have end up with something called as a print and commands. So this is the same thing that we have seen, but like I just mentioned one more thing here, like it can be anything, it can be a string or it can be integer that we can do. And then commenting in R is very important. So we have a, if it is started with asterisk symbol, then it will be like it's treated as a command, and this lines of code, it will not be executed by the interpreter. Whenever you run this cell, it will not be executed. Okay, so that's everything we are having. So hope you guys have understand everything. Now we're gonna see a live assignment now. Okay, so yeah guys, so the now the assignment question is, guys, try to like use all the concept that we have done till now, so that we can make your assignment ready. Okay, so create a variable of different data types, numeric, character, logic, and complex, and perform basic arithmetic operations. So this is what the question, guys. I think it is very simple question. Okay, because like we have just seen a basic of R. I need you guys to be understand, so that you guys have a hands-on experience also. So hope you guys have understand this question. I'm just repeating this question again. So it's gonna be a live assignment. You guys gonna do this, and just post the result in the comment. The assignment question is create variables of different data types like numeric, character, logic, and complex, and perform basic arithmetic operations. Okay. Yeah, guys. Hope you guys understand this question. Start doing this. Yes, sir. Over to you. Like, how much time we can give? Because like it's a simple question, like, right? So how much
Yeah,
time we
we
can give,
can
sir?
give around 2 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Like, hope you guys have understand every concept. Just do it, and let us know if you guys have any doubts. If no doubts, just post the answers in the comments. Okay. Yeah, guys. We are just expecting answers from you. It's gonna be very simple. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, guys, let's see how much answers we are gonna get in the comments. Okay, so it's a simple thing. Okay, just have the things like uh, just brush up what we have learned so far in this hour, like everything, like variable declaration, everything, and try to mix everything up, and just we just need result. Okay, end goal is like result. Just post it in the comment. Okay, if you guys are facing any difficulty, you guys post in the comment. Okay, so that we can understand like these are the things that we need to work on, so we will get we can improve our contents also. Okay, so hope you guys are doing the things. Okay, that is 1 more minute, guys. Okay, just it's a simple question, I think so. So we need to create a variable. I will give some like tips kind of thing. You just create a variable, okay, with different values like numeric, character, logic, and complex, and try to perform some kind of arithmetic operation. Right? What is arithmetic operation? Plus, minus, subtraction, like those things. Try to do that. Okay, 30 more seconds, guys. Okay, hope you all guys are enjoying and just doing the things, and yeah, just post the results in the like in the comment section. So we are here, so we will just evaluate everything. Okay, so yeah, last 10 seconds, guys. Okay, okay, so hope you guys are all have completed the assignment. Let's move on to the answer. Okay, guys, here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do means this is what we are having. Okay, we are gonna see how we're gonna declare the variables. Okay, it should be numeric, character, logic, complex, anything, but you need to create a variable of different types. First, I'm creating a number variable. Okay, 15 is a num variable. Number will have a value 15, which is the of numeric type. Next, I'm having data science. It is a character variable because like it is a string, but in or it is treated as character. Okay, when I'm printing type, you guys can see it is character. For the hello, it is character. Okay, so it is treating the string as a character. Okay, next we are mentioning false to the log var. So it is treating it as a since it is a log var, it is treating as a boolean value. So but it is called as here, it will be called as something like, I think here it is logical operator. Okay, that's why I'm just mentioning it as a log var. Then we are having complex var, it should have a real value and then the imaginary part. This now I'm going for something like a arithmetic operation. First of all, I'm going for a multiplication operation. Okay, number into 2. Okay, number, what is 15? Okay, number is a 15 into 2 is 30, 30. Now I'm just printing character var. Why, guys? I'm just asking you a question. I'm just printing the character var. I'm not even doing any arithmetic operation using that variable. You guys tell me. Okay, now the next thing, I'm just using a relational operator here, not of varchar. I'm just getting the true. Okay, not like a basic arithmetic function, like basic operations you do. Okay, I need to just change this question. Okay, perform some basic operation, not like a arithmetic operation. You guys need to perform some basic operation. Okay, now because this not is like a relation operation, right? It is not related to arithmetic operation. So the question is, you need to create a variable of different data types: numeric, character, logic, and complex, and perform basic operations. Okay, now the next thing, we are having mod of complex var. Okay, and it is resulting in the value like 8.06, like that. Okay, so these are result. Guys, can you guys able to understand why I'm not able to do any kind of operation by using this char var? Because it is a string value. We can do string kind of operation, concatenation, like those things we can do, but we cannot able to do some arithmetic operation on top of it. So I'm just printing it up. Okay, now I think I have a question, how this thing result in 8.06. So now I'm gonna reveal how it is happening. Okay, see here, guys. A star A and then B star B, and we need to add the things. Mod mean that is the thing. Okay. Whenever you are having this real part and imaginary part, it's gonna take real part. Okay. What is a real part? 7. 7 into 7. That is A square plus B square the root. Okay. Root of A square plus B square will give the mod value of complex number. Okay. So what is A here in the complex number? We are having 7. So 7 square. And for imaginary part we are having 4. So then 4 square we are having. And then we are just adding it up and we are getting 65. Now what is a mod of complex value? It should be a root of A square plus B square. So we are having A square plus B square. Now I need to provide the square root. Guys, we have seen this, right? Like it is a function present in the R. So I'm just using the square root and just resulting in the value of 8.062257 like that. Okay, it is rounded off. So this is how I'm just getting this mod value. Okay. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this. Okay. Yes, sir. Anything that you need to add for this assignment? Yeah.
Yes,
Over to you, sir.
yes,
Like
yes,
anything.
yes.
Yeah.
So you need to do this assignment properly as mentioned by Raja. Go step by step and prepare it and go and watch all the previous sessions so that you will have a deep understanding meta level, and then you come to this video, do 5 to 10 times revision, absorb the information, then digest, and then do these assignments and apply the knowledge, whatever you have learned, and then and only you will do greater projects and you will become data scientists, AI ML engineers, AI researchers, AI scientists, or computer scientists. So when you understand the languages properly, so you can use this, and this is very basic. Just you need to have focus and attention, and it is very simple math. You just need to apply, and you get results and outcome based on this. Okay? Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing, guys. So I think this is what all about introduction to R. Uh, we will call it as level zero. Okay, we're gonna see level two and level one and level two in the upcoming sessions. Hope you guys have enjoyed this session. And the most important thing, guys, please mention in the comments like anything we need to improve, because like then only we can able to improve our contents and we can change the way what we are doing. Okay, so hope you guys all guys have enjoyed the things. So I think we have introduced you how the R works, some basic coding part, and we have ended up with some live assignments. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Let us meet in the next session. So yeah, that's from my side. Hope you guys enjoyed. We will meet in the next session. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you.
Thank
Keep learning deeply at a meta level and understand each and every element of it. So definitely you are going to be successful.
yeah, guys.